Good morning, students. Welcome back to English class. Students, today we are going to see a new chapter in grammar. So, all of you be ready with your grammar book. Students, look at the given pictures carefully. What are they? They are apples, flower, and cherries. Is it right? Yes. Look at the first picture carefully. Okay. How many apples are there, first of all? 3 apples are there. Yes, you're right. Let's move to the next one. What is the second picture? It's a flower. How many flowers are there? Just one flower. Okay. Let's move to the next picture. What is the third picture? 3 cherries are there. How many cherries? 3 cherries are there. Okay, students, we know very well that these 3 pictures are nouns. That means apples, flower, and cherries. These 3 are nouns, and we can count these nouns. Yes or no? We can count the apples, we can count the flower, we can count the cherries. Students, today our grammar topic is countable nouns. Countable nouns. COUNTABLE. Countable. NOUNS. Nouns. Today's topic is countable nouns. Students, today we are going to learn about countable nouns. Before that, what do you mean by noun? A noun? A noun is a naming word which refers to a person, place, animal, thing, or idea. What do you mean by noun? A noun is a naming word which refers to a person, place, animal, thing, or idea. Okay, students. Now we are going to see about countable nouns. Countable nouns are nouns which can be counted. Countable nouns are nouns which can be counted. What do you mean by countable nouns? Countable nouns are nouns which we can count. If we can count any nouns, it is known as countable nouns. For example, look at the first example, dogs. Can you count the dogs? Yes, we can count the dogs. Okay, let's move to the next picture. Pen. How many pens are there? Just one pen. So we can count. We can easily count the objects. Let's move to the next one. What is the third picture? Yes, the third picture is a bottle. How many bottles are there? Just one bottle. So students, these 3 pictures are nouns. These nouns, we can easily count these nouns. So once again, I am repeating, countable nouns are nouns which can be counted. Students, countable nouns have 2 forms. How many forms? 2 forms. One is singular and another one is plural. Okay. Look at the example given in the singular noun, that is ball. Okay. Let's move to the plural noun. What is the example given in the plural form? That is balls. Okay. Students, later we will see this topic in detail. Students, we can use a number or articles before the noun. Articles mean words like a or an before the countable noun. We can use a number, a or an before the singular noun. Okay, students, look at the given examples. 2 books, 10 stars. 2 books. Students, before the noun books, we have used a number. We have used 2. We have used the number 2. Let's move to the next example. 10 stars. Students, before the noun we have used the number 10. So these two are examples for number. Let's move to the next example, that is a book. A book means it is just a book, one book. So before the singular noun we have used a. We have used the article a. A dog. A dog means one dog. It's just a dog. So before the singular noun we have used article a. Students, one thing you have to remember that look at the first letter of the word. If it is a consonant, you have to use a. If the first letter is a vowel, you have to write an. So let's move to the next example, that is an album. So the first letter of this word is a, so it is a vowel. So that's why we have used an. An album means it is just one album. So before the noun we have used an. Let's move to the last example, that is an apple. Apple. In this word also the first letter is a, so it is a vowel. So that's why we have used an. Students, once again I'm repeating, we can use a number we can use a number and words like a or an before the nouns. Students, countable nouns can be two forms. How many forms? Two forms. One is singular and another one is plural. Okay students, let us see about singular nouns. Singular nouns tell us about one person, one place, one animal, or one thing. What do you mean by singular noun? Singular nouns tell us about one person, one place, one animal, or one thing. Okay students, let's move to the next form, that is plural nouns. What do you mean by plural nouns? Plural nouns tell us about more than one person. More than one person, one animal, one place, or one thing. More than. Okay? What do you mean by plural nouns? Plural nouns tell us about more than one person, more than one animal, more than one place, or more than one thing. Students, once again I am repeating, countable nouns can have two forms. One is singular form and another one is plural form. Singular nouns tell us about one person, one place, one animal, or one thing. It means singular means single. Okay, plural nouns tell us about more than one person, more than one animal, more than one place, or more than one thing. Students, here are some more examples of countable nouns. Let us see what are they. Okay students, look at the first picture. Dog. How many dogs are there? Just one dog. So what I said, singular nouns tell us about one person, one place, one animal, or one thing. So look at the first picture, one dog is there. So it is a singular noun. Dog is a singular noun. Okay students, let us see the next picture, that is dogs. Dogs. How many dogs are there? Totally 7 dogs are there. It means plural noun. So dog is a singular form. Dogs. It is a plural form. The singular noun is dog. The plural form for dog is dogs. We have to add the letter S to the word dog to make the word as plural. Okay students, let's move to the next example, that is book. Okay students, how many books are there in the left side? just one book, so it is singular noun. Now look at the right side. How many books are there? Totally 6 books are there. So it is plural form. The singular noun is book. The plural noun for book is books. We have to add s to the word book to make the word plural. Look at the given example. Okay, students, the given example is spoon. Spoon is a singular noun. Okay, let us see the next picture, that is spoons. The plural form of spoon is spoons. We have to add s to the word spoon to make it as plural. Okay, students, the singular noun is spoon. The plural noun is spoons. Okay, students, now let's move to the next example. Look at the left side. The given picture is apple. How many apples are there? Just one apple. So it is a singular noun. Now, what is the plural form for apple? Yes, you're right. That is apples. We added the letter s to the word apple to make it as plural form. Okay, students, the singular noun is apple. The plural noun is apples. Students, look at the given picture. The given picture is a girl. How many girls are there in this picture? Just one girl is there. So it is a singular noun. What is the plural form? Yes, you are right. The plural form of girl is girls. We added the letter s to the word girl to make it as plural. Okay, let's see the next example, that is pencil. Pencil. Pencil is a singular noun. Just one pencil is there in the given picture. What is the plural form of pencil? Yes, you're right. That is pencils. What we have to do? We have to add the letter s to the word pencil to make it as plural. Students, the given noun is girl and the plural form is girls. And the next example, the given noun is pencil and the plural form is pencils. Students, now we are going to see some rules that shows how to form the plurals. Okay, students, let us see. Look at the heading, adding s. Adding s. By adding the letter s at the end of the singular nouns. Now look at the given picture. The picture is car. We know very well that car is a singular noun because how many cars are there? Just one car is given in the picture, so it is a singular noun. What is the plural form? You're right. The plural form is cars by adding the letter s to the given singular noun. Let's move to the next picture, that is pot. Is pot a singular noun? Yes, you're right. Pot is a singular noun. What is the plural form? The plural form is pots by adding the letter s to the word pot. Students, the given singular noun is car. The plural form of car is cars. And the second example is a pot. It is a singular noun and the plural form is pots. Students, now we are going to see the second rule, that is adding es. Students, if a singular noun ends in the letter s, ss, x, sh, ch or o, we have to add es. If a singular noun ends in the letter s, ss, x, sh, ch or o, we have to add es to make that noun plural. Okay, students, look at the given picture. Okay, the given picture is a bus. How many buses are there in the first picture? Just one bus. One bus means It is a singular noun. It is a singular noun. Okay, students. Now what we have to do? We make this word as plural. We have to make. Okay. Look at the last letter. The last letter is S. The noun bus ends in the letter S. So what we have to do? We have to add es to the bus to make it as plural. So buses. Students, look at the last letter. Okay. Last letter is S. If a singular noun ends in S, we have to add es to make that noun plural. Bus is a singular noun. The plural form is buses. Students, if a singular noun ends in ss, we have to add es. If a singular noun ends in ss, we have to make that word as plural by adding es. Okay, students. Now look at the given example. Look at the first picture. What is it? It is a glass. Okay. How many glasses are there in the first picture? Just one glass. So it is a singular noun. What is the plural form of glass? Yes, you're right. The answer is glasses. Because look at the last letters. Look at the last letters of the word glass. The word glass ends with ss. If a singular noun ends in ss, we have to add es. So, glass is a singular noun. The plural form is glasses. Students, if a singular noun ends in x, we have to add es. If a singular noun ends in the letter x, we have to add es. Okay, students, look at the given example. Look at the first picture. What is the first picture? It is a box. How many boxes are there in the first picture? Just one box. One box. Is it a plural? Is it a singular or plural? Yes, it is a singular noun because one box is there. One box means it is a singular noun. Then what is the plural form? It is boxes because the word box ends in x. If a singular noun ends in the letter x, we have to add es. So boxes, boxes, boxes. Box is a singular noun. The plural form is boxes. Students, if a singular noun ends in sh, we have to add es. If a singular noun ends in sh, we have to add es to the given singular noun. Okay, students, now look at the given example. What is the first picture? The first picture is a brush. How many brushes are there in the first picture? How many brushes? Yes, it is just one brush. One brush means, is it singular or a plural? It is a singular noun. Okay, then what is the plural form of brush? Yes, you're right. The plural form is brushes. 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 We added es to the brush because if a singular noun ends in sh, we have to add es to make the singular as plural. So we added es to the word brush. What is the plural form of brush? Brushes. The singular noun is brush. The plural form is brushes. Students, if a singular noun ends in ch, we have to add es. If a singular noun ends in ch, we have to add es. Okay, students, look at the given example. Look at the first picture. What is it? It is a bench. How many benches are there? in the first picture? Just one bench is there. It means it is a singular noun. What is the plural form of bench? Yes, you're right, benches. Because look at the last letters of the word bench. CH. The word bench ends in CH. If a singular noun ends in CH, we have to add ES. So we added ES to the word bench. The singular noun is bench. The plural form is benches. 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 Students, if a singular noun ends in O, we have to add ES. If a singular noun ends in O, ends with the letter O, we have to add ES. Okay, look at the given example. In the first picture, a potato is given. Just one potato is given. One potato means it is a singular noun. What is the plural form of potato? Potatoes. Because the word potato ends in O. If a singular noun ends in O, we have to add ES to make that noun, to make it as plural. So we added ES to the noun potato. The singular noun is potato. The plural form of potato is potatoes. 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 Students, now we are going to see the third rule, that is adding VES. Students, if a singular noun is ending with the F or FE, we have to add VES. If a singular noun is ending with the letter F or FE, we have to add VES by removing F or FE. Okay students, look at the given picture, then you can understand easily. Look at the given example. Look at the first picture. The first picture is a knife. KNIFE, knife. Okay, the letter K is in silent mode. Knife. It is a singular noun. So look at the last letters of the word knife. The word knife ends with FE. If a singular noun ends in FE, we have to remove the last two letters and then add VES. So the plural form of knife is knives. KNIVES, knives. Okay students, let's move to the next example, that is leaf. Leaf is a singular noun. Look at the last letter of leaf. Look at the last letter of the word leaf. It ends with F. If a singular noun ends in F, what we have to do? We have to remove the last letter F and then add VES. So students, look here. We removed the last letter F and then added VES. The plural form of leaf is leaves. Students, the singular noun is knife and the plural form of knife is knives. Let's move to the next example. The singular noun is leaf. The plural form of leaf is leaves. Leaves. Students, now we are going to see the fourth rule, that is adding IES. Students, if a singular noun is ending with a consonant along with the letter Y, we have to add IES. If a singular noun is ending with a consonant along with the letter Y, we have to remove the letter Y and then add IES. Okay students, now look at the given picture. In the first picture, we have given a baby picture. It is a baby. Just one baby is there. So it is a singular noun. What is the plural form of baby? Babies. Okay students, now look at the word baby. BABY, baby. Okay, the word baby is ended with the consonant along with the letter Y. Now what we have to do? We have to remove the last letter Y and then add IES. So here we have removed the last letter Y and then added IES, babies, BABIES, babies. The singular noun is baby, the plural form of baby is babies. Students, let us see the second example, that is puppy. Students, look at the first picture. How many puppies are there in the first picture? Just one puppy is there. One puppy means it is a singular noun. The rule is if a singular noun is ending with a consonant along with the letter Y, we have to remove the last letter Y and then add IES. Okay, students, now look at the word puppy. Puppy, puppy. So the word puppy ended with the letter Y. Before Y, there is a consonant. Before Y, which letter is there? It is a P. P is a consonant. So the word puppy is ended with a consonant along with the letter Y. What we have to do now? We have to remove the last letter Y and then add IES to make it as plural. Okay, the plural form of puppy is puppies. Puppies, puppies. Here we removed the last letter Y and then added IES. The singular noun is puppy and the plural form of puppy is puppies. Students, now we are going to see the third example. Students, look at the first picture. First of all, what is the picture given? It is a lady picture. How many ladies are there in the first picture? Just one lady is there. One lady means it is a singular noun. Now remember the rule. If a singular noun is ending with a consonant along with the letter Y, we have to add IES. If a singular noun is ending with a consonant along with the letter Y, we have to remove the last letter Y and then add IES. Here, the given singular noun is lady. LADY, lady. Look at the last letter. The word, look at the last letter. The last letter is Y. The word lady is ended with a consonant along with the letter Y. Now what we have to do now? We have to remove the last letter Y and then add IES. Students, look here. The plural form of lady is ladies. The plural form is ladies. What we have done here? We have removed the last letter Y and then added IES. The singular noun is lady. The plural form of lady is ladies. LADIES, ladies. Students, some nouns are there. They do not follow any rules while changing from singular to plural. Such nouns are called irregular nouns. Irregular nouns are nouns. They do not follow any rules. For example, look here. Look at the first picture. It is a man. Man is a singular noun. The plural form of man is men. The plural form of man is men. MEN, men. Look at the second picture. Second example, not second picture. Look at the second example. Child. Child is a singular noun. The plural form of child is children. The plural form of child is children. CHILDREN, children. Students, man is a singular noun. The plural form of man is men. Child is a singular noun. The plural form of child is children. So students, already I said that some nouns are there. They do not follow any rules. Such nouns are called irregular nouns. Students, let's move to the next example. Look at the first picture. What is given in the first picture? It is a mouse. A mouse is a singular noun. Then what is the plural form of mouse? It is mice. The plural form of mouse is mice. M-I-C-E, mice. Students, already we have learned that irregular nouns did not follow any rules. They are spelled differently. So mouse is a singular noun and a plural form of mouse is mice. Let's move to the next example, that is goose. Goose is a singular noun. It is a bird. Okay, it looks like a duck, but it is not duck. Some differences are there between goose and ducks because goose has a longer neck than ducks. Okay, now goose is a singular noun. Then what is the plural form of goose? It is geese. The plural form of goose is geese. Geese, geese. Students, mouse is a singular noun. Mice is a plural form. The singular noun is mouse. The plural form of mouse is mice. And the next example is goose. Goose is a singular noun and the plural form of goose is geese. Students, let's move to the next example. Look at the first picture. What is given in the first picture? It is an ox. So students, just one ox is there in the first picture. Ox is a singular noun. The plural form of ox is oxen. The plural form of ox is oxen. O-X-E-N, oxen. Okay students, let's move to the next example. The given singular noun is tooth. Tooth is a singular noun. Tooth is a singular noun. The plural form of tooth is teeth. T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Okay students, once again I am repeating. The ox is a singular noun. The plural form of ox is oxen. Look at the next example. The given singular noun is tooth. The plural form of tooth is teeth. Students, now we are going to see some nouns. They remain the same in their singular and plural forms. They remain the same. No need to change anything. We don't want to add any letters to that nouns. The nouns remain the same in their singular and plural forms. Okay students, let us see the example. Look at the first example. What is given in the first picture? It is a fish. Fish is a singular noun. Look at the second picture. I think 7 or 8 fish are there in the second picture. Students, the singular noun is fish. The plural form of fish is also fish. We don't want to add anything to that word. Okay. Singular noun is fish and the plural form is also fish. Let's move to the next example, that is sheep. That is sheep. Just one sheep is there in the second example. The singular noun is sheep and the plural form of sheep is also sheep. Students, in the first example, the singular noun is fish and the plural form is also fish. In the second example, singular noun is sheep and the plural form is also sheep. Students, now we are going to see the next example. Look at the given picture. What is given in the picture? It is a dice. Okay, it is a dice. Dice is a singular noun because in the first picture we have given one dice. So it is so we can easily say that it is a singular noun. Look at the next picture. Look at the next picture. We know very well that it is the plural form of dice. Students, the plural form of dice is also dice. Okay, don't add any letters to this word. Okay, no need to add any extra letters. The singular noun is dice and the plural form of dice is also dice. D-I-C-E, dice. Students, now we came to an end. That means recap corner. Today's topic is countable nouns. What do you mean by countable nouns? Countable nouns or nouns which can be counted. Countable nouns or nouns which can be counted. Students, countable nouns can be singular and plural. Singular nouns refer to only one person, one place, one animal, or one thing. Plural nouns refers to more than one person, more than one place, more than one animal, or more than one thing. Students, we have seen some rules that shows how to form plurals of nouns. Look at the first rule. We can change singular nouns into plural by adding the letter S. And the second rule is we can change singular nouns into plural by adding es to the nouns that ends in s, ss, sh, ch, x, or o. And the third rule is students, we can change singular nouns into plural by removing the letter y and adding ies to the nouns that end in y. And the fourth rule is by removing uh, f or fe and adding ves to nouns that end in f or fe. Students, some nouns are there, they do not follow any rules. Such nouns are called irregular nouns. And we have seen some more nouns, they remain the same in their singular and plural forms. They do not, we do not add anything to that nouns. Students, today we have seen a new topic in grammar part, that is countable nouns. I hope you understood clearly. Students, read the examples again and again, then only you can easily understand the concept. We will meet on next class. Thank you.